BJP-led state government celebrates 1 year of power in the state. Union Minister Harshvardhan assures of all possible assistance for the state's development. Chief Minister Biren gives thanks to people of the state for their cooperation, assures to move forward despite various challenges. Union Minister Harshvardhan inaugurates the newly constructed Technology Business Incubation Center of IBSD in Takyal Path today. And Andhra police arrest 4 alleged culprits involved in the Yaripog Lai Harauba incident. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. The BJP-led state government held a grand 1-year anniversary celebration of governing the state at BJP office in Nite Park today. Speaking in the event as the chief guest, Union Minister of Science and Technology, Forest and Environment and Earth Sciences, Harshvardhan, assured the state that he will extend all possible assistance for developmental activities. He said the BJP government at the center have reserved 10% out of the total expenditure of the country for developmental projects in the entire northeastern states. He added that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, following the footsteps of former BJP leader Atal Bihari Vajpayee, is moving towards achieving One India, One Nation by bringing equal development to all. The Union Minister further commended the Chief Minister of Manipur, Nongthongpam Biren, as a formidable and far-sighted leader capable of governing the state ideally. He further appreciated all the initiatives taken by the BJP-led state government under the supervision of the Chief Minister.
मैं हृदय से बहुत बधाई देता हूं पूरी सरकार को, श्री बीरेन सिंह जी को। मुझे याद है कि कुछ समय पूर्व, कुछ महीने पहले वो मुख्यमंत्री बनने के थोड़े समय के बाद एक बार आप आए थे घर पे, तो बहुत उनसे विस्तार से बात हुई थी और मैंने देखा कि मन में काफ़ी जिज्ञासा है, काफ़ी उत्साह है और उत्साह था और बहुत सारी योजनाओं के बारे में वो जब भी ज़्यादा पुराने नहीं थे, अभी तो 1 साल हो गया उनको, लेकिन नए थे तब भी उनके मन में बहुत सारी चीज़ें, साइंस के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें। और मैं विशेष रूप से इस बात के लिए बधाई देता हूं कि इस सरकार का ये सबसे बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण दायित्व है कि जितने नॉर्थ ईस्ट के प्रांत हैं इनको देश के बराबर लेके आना है, इनको अंततोगत्वा देश से भी ऊपर उठाना है।
Chief Minister Biren lauded and gave thanks to the people of the state for their cooperation in the attainment of 1-year rule of the BJP-led government in the state. He maintains that BJP-led government has challenges to face and asserted that his government will face all challenges and strive towards development and prosperity of the state. Chief Minister Biren announced that Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, will arrive tomorrow in the state to formally launch the Indian Science Congress at Manipur University and will later also inaugurate Imam Market at Choratandpur and other developmental projects in the state. Biren said 6 other Imam markets which are under construction in the hill districts will be completed and inaugurated soon by the month of April. He also said that the BJP-led state government will soon announce to the public all developmental projects to be undertaken in the coming year. He assured that the state government will work with transparency and in coordination with the public. He also lauded the coming together of civil society organizations of the hills and valleys that appeared on local media. He asserted that the unity of CSOs of hills and valley districts will enhance brotherhood and promote peace and tranquility among different communities living in the state.
Honorable Prime Minister, Magi wisdom. Adaguma party ki President Amit Shah, Northeast moina pinning iba message. Bharat pumba the pinning iba message to. Ekoi habu konthok padune ekoi githodi. Adagumba leader amna laurong gro poto ekoi sarkar seva kanade ekoi dadi mado achouba ikhoida challenge moi ki manamni magi leader dugi mana ngangam bawa se khele khata an beya de government se semjari ba pon mayam se praja nungai na ba ngata ni.
Chief Minister Nongthumma Biren also visited all-age homes, children homes and mentally retarded center in connection with the first anniversary of the BJP governance in the state today. Biren asserted that his government will give top priority to the poor and the destitute. The Chief Minister, accompanied by Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen, Revenue Minister Karam Sham and MLAs, visited all-age homes set up by All Manipur Senior Citizen Welfare Association at Mongshangai, BB Paul Mental Development Home and Destitute Children Home at Tera Kaitel, Carmel Jyoti Children Home at Luangshangbam, and Julalan Children Home. Biren presented gifts to the aged persons at the old age home in Mongshangai and encouraged them not to be disheartened. The Chief Minister also assured that health cards under Chief Minister Gi Hakshel Gi Tengbang will also be handed over to the elderly persons at the home within a week. Biren assured that the lacking infrastructure at the home, including food items, will be provided at the earliest. He also assured to provide a domestic water pipeline to the homes in consultation with the officials of Public Health Engineering Department. The Chief Minister also presented gifts to the other homes he visited today. Biren encouraged the children at the homes not to lose heart, but instead focus on education to be successful in life.
We government sense yam toin haijaba policy program ama human touch mi bagi minungsi awana tarba leitelaira sonana mayam da bu nungsina adagi kangkhat piba yokhat piba dugi pandam dugi makhada sahi pharak pais da koi ihan hanai khoi orphans mama pale jedraba aduga masa masu leitraba kainaraba ahallaman singi always home sugumba needy people singbu yokhat pase koi mathok tabanina adugi mission nama koi honorable MLA minister mayam ko sachabani koi government.
Speaking on the sidelines of the visit, Chief Minister Nongthumma Biren said the Union Home Ministry has agreed to start a helicopter service in the state by issuing a formal letter at a 75% subsidy scheme and the remaining 25% to be borne by the state government. The Chief Minister also maintains that the Thaubal Multi-Purpose Project and Dolai Thabi Barrage Project, which were earlier planned to be inaugurated during the Prime Minister's visit to the state tomorrow, will not be inaugurated as the projects are yet to be completed. He also said that under the Union Health Department's recommendation, efforts are on to start flying ambulance service in the state soon.
Home Ministry has sent a formal letter that they have approved for providing one helicopter for the state of Manipur, a flying ambulance. That also is going on, and already Health Department has recommended to the donor ministry. That also on the line, but we are very lucky that at least we are going to get one as early as possible. Actually, some negotiation, some MOU has to be signed, so it will take little more time. Koi loi dabu singdi, koi sangar hoisi. Maram di government sigi edu ka Prime Minister Modi gisu. Pot ama sangar ka di hek sangha boga nonga laga prajada kana ba pibung amguda wadung ba pot toksena haiba. Adu na madu loi dabu singdi koi drop torani. Home Minister.
Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan inaugurated the newly constructed Technology Business Incubation Center of Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development IBSD in Takhel Parts today. Speaking on the occasion, Union Minister of Science and Technology Dr. Harshvardhan stated that IBSD Imphal Center takes a major role in the mission to produce abundant bamboo products in the state. He maintains that he initiated Green Good Deeds campaign as a Union Minister of Science and Technology to combat global warming. Harshvardhan appeals to the people to take green scientific social responsibility by developing a habit of performing at least one green good deed per day. The Union Minister reiterated that Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led NDA government is giving top priority to the development of the northeastern region of the country. He said that the center will provide all possible assistance for the welfare and development of the northeast. He also appeals to the youth of the Northeast to take part in the Green Good Deeds campaign and take the responsibility in controlling the change of the climatic condition.
Very committed for strengthening the cause of the young people. This is a very special government where there is a special focus on Northeast that the Prime Minister has been emphasizing right from the day one. And we as cabinet ministers are witness to his thoughts and his pursuing this aspect on a regular basis over the last 4 years. And he strongly believes that the youth of this country, who in fact are the rich demographic dividend that this country enjoys at this moment, they must be provided all sorts of opportunities and facilities in all types of institutions all over the country to see that their ideas get converted into their dreams and they can realize their dreams. They are provided optimum facilities so that they can realize their dream of converting their idea into an entrepreneurship program.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi will formally launch the 105th Indian Science Congress on the theme Reaching the Unreached Through Science and Technology at Manipur University tomorrow. The Indian Science Congress is an annual congregation of science professionals from across the globe. Manipur University is hosting the Science Congress for the first time. In connection with the Indian Science Congress, Directorate of Advertising and Visual Publicity, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting is also organizing a photo exhibition on the theme Naya Bharat Hum Karke Rahenge on Manipur University campus from March 16 to 20. Photos and videos of the achievements and flagship programs of the central government will be exhibited. Song and Drama Division, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of Manipur, Government of India, Imphal, will showcase cultural programs during the conference. They will perform Thangta, stick dance, Mangpa Drabalan, Basanta Raj and bamboo dance, among others. In addition to opening the 105th Indian Science Congress at Manipur University tomorrow, Prime Minister Narendra Modi would also lay the foundation stone of National Sports University at Cricket Ground, Luangsangbam. All India President, the Institute of Engineers IEI Kolkata, Shishir Kumar Banerjee was given a warm reception at Manipur State Center of IEI at Takhelpat today. Mr. Shishir Kumar is an invited speaker of the Indian Science Congress to be held tomorrow. Addressing the gathering, Banerjee urged the State Center to write a proposal for every necessity of the institution. He also encouraged the IEI State Center to hold national and international level seminars, and he assured to help in every way. Chairman of Manipur State Center of IEI, K.H. Bemba, immediate past Chairman of Manipur State Center IEI, K.H. Rajchandra, Founder Chairman of Manipur State Center of IEI, K.H. Anjau, also attended the event. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar inaugurated Department of Atomic Energy DAE Technology Demonstration and Dissemination Facility DTDDF Center to provide technological facilities to far-flung villages of Manipur today. The launching event was organized by Manipur Science and Technology Council at Science and Technology Complex in Takhelpat. Speaking on the occasion, Joy Kumar said the technologies developed so far should be disseminated to the people so that it can be applied in various fields. Lauding the efforts made by BARC and MASTAC, the Deputy Chief Minister urged the agencies to train and share such technologies to young entrepreneurs and people so that they can be benefited. The center, which was developed in collaboration with Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Mumbai, and built up in the office complex of Manipur Science and Technology Council, MASTAC, comprises a tissue culture laboratory, an exhibition hall, and a greenhouse. 6 different technologies of the Department of Atomic Energy, namely tissue culture lab, foldable solar dryer, vibrothermal disinfector, online domestic water purifier based on ultrafiltration, polysulfone membrane, Fluoride detection kit for groundwater and soil organic carbon detection will be available at the center. The technologies will help the public, especially the farmers, in enhancing their agricultural productions as well as provide them with health benefits. The technologies come at low cost, and so there will be no inconveniences in procuring them by the farmers. The center envisions to financially empower individuals with a scientific attitude by enabling them to make these technologies themselves, as these technologies can be easily created by a skillful and scientific-minded person. Mastech Center will also hold 4-day-long training programs on these 6 technologies 4 times every year to aware the public on these technologies.
I've always remarked that in our country, the problem is we go too much on the study, on technologies, but research work is very much lacking. But this is one institution, BAC, where research has been given its due importance and the relevancy. I'm sure we'll have a very long relationship, particularly Mastech and the science and technology with BAC, because after seeing this thing, I intend to continue and to develop this relationship so that the state can get the benefit. I've always
Federation of Farmer Clubs drew the attention of the state government to let Prime Minister Narendra Modi announce during his visit in the state tomorrow that the bank loans taken by farmers of the state are waived off, as they have faced immense hardships due to the frequent flood conditions last year. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, President of the Federation, Khangembam Ranjit, said farmers were affected the most by last year's flood in the state. He said the flood destroyed all their agricultural crops which they planted by taking Krishan credit card loan from the bank, and as a result, their farmers are unable to pay off their loans. Ranjit stated that Chief Minister Nongthumbam Biren had earlier also announced the flood in the state as natural calamity as the flood was acute, and further directed the authority concerned to take necessary steps. He appeals to the government to waive off the farmers' loans and make the Prime Minister to announce the same during his state visit.
The Prime Minister lakani hari. Aw sida hari sida mana sida la era. Adu ka parsu khai do e mana. Masim sida piga da piga da ne. Akoi agriculture ki damukta mana subsidy da pire je rupa crore ni futor ka la hum ma thoi na khai do tha. Sida akoi ji pibi ko nei le me ba. Aduna akoi di pibi ba dar ga di akoi na hayeng Prime Minister la ing sa lok thuk pira mu sin. Pire na lok thuk lon ko na lok thuk pira ga di. Lomi hena nungai jare sarkar ji thagalani.
Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham inaugurated a State Leadership Academy at Kaikol, Koirengay today. The inaugural event was organized by the Directorate of State Council of Educational and Research Training, SCERT. Speaking on the occasion, Radhesham asserted that a true leader is a must in every field to achieve the intended goal for the welfare of all sections in the society. He opines that leadership quality can be achieved through training and by nurturing the innate talents of an individual, and called for teachers and officials to join training programs to become a true leader. Leaders, he said, is born out of group having a common task to achieve. He equated the education department as the group and said achieving quality education by providing relevant education is the task to be accomplished. The minister also lauded the officials and staff of Education Department for their efforts in bringing a positive change in the education sector of the state. He also appreciated SCERT for their initiatives to empower and imbibe the teachers with the qualitative value of leadership. Radhesham maintains that syllabus for the trainings should be as per the needs. The first training course for the academy will be a 1-month training course for the head and principal of schools. The classes will be conducted by 10 resource persons belonging to selected 50 State Resource Group (SRG) of Manipur. Director Education Department T.H. Kiran Kumar, Director SCERT M. Meena Kumari, officials concerned, teachers and students attended the inaugural event. Minister Karam Sham celebrated 1 year of his ministership today. CAF and PD Revenue Relief and Rehabilitation Minister Karam Sham cycled from his quarter at Sanjanthong and met the people of his constituency and also inspected the newly inaugurated Sub-Deputy Collector Office at Lilong Chajing today. Speaking to media persons, Minister Karam Sham said he won the Manipur Assembly election in Langtabal constituency from Lok Janashakti Party on March 15 last year and has been serving the people as the lone member of LJP in the BJP-led coalition government. The minister appreciated people of his constituency on the occasion of completion of his 1 year's ministership and also assured that he will continue to work for the welfare of the constituency and the state. On the other hand, Karam Sham maintains that there can be more development in the society if people of the state participate in the works initiated by the government. The minister said even though he is the lone member of LJP, he is putting earnest efforts to bring a change in the society with the help of the Chief Minister and the MLAs.
Prajana Sarkar Senarakandani Fagaduji, Baramdi Akui Prajana Kanba Mutnina. Hosik any Aina Paijariba, CFNPD, or Natraga Revenue da, Aquina, Tohoningba, Adagi Apaba Wakalon, Apaba Tohon Kasi, Praja Sing Sina, one of the Innovator, Satarpa Maya Mama, Uba. Laipaksida ran to get owned by a home by Mapuruk Nava Honavada, a lone MLA, Uergasu, at the Sarkar Sida, at the Agi Mishang Lay Tragasu, Laibaksi Sasonda, a one by a home by Mapuruk, none of a Honavadi, so what died a low gavase Agi, Subsaba Puningi Pirepni.
Andhra Police has arrested 4 individuals alleged to be involved in the killing of Moirang Them Mega, who allegedly disrupted the Lai Harauba performance on March 7 at Yaripok Top Chingtha Mathak. The 4 arrested persons are identified as Pukri Hongbam Raju, 41 years, from Yaripok Lai Manai, Kongjingbam Nilakanta from Yaripok Top Chingtha Mathak, Maibam Diban from Yaripok Top, and Laisram Munal from Yaripok Top Chingtha Pukri Achauba Mapal. Andhra Police arrested them on March 13 and were later produced before the Judicial Magistrate First Class Imphal East yesterday. They are kept in police remand for further investigations. MOBC in a press release informed that the eligible list of OBC students for awarding OBC pre-matric and post-matric scholarship 2017-18 has been notified, and the same is available in the Directorate's website at www.mobcmanipur.gov.in. Complaints will be received till March 28. For further details, Scheme Officer MOBC and SC Manipur may be contacted during the office hours. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you an exclusive report on Baruni Festival. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. People of the state visited Dongmaiching Hill, also known as Baruni, on the intervening night of 27 and 28 of Lamta in the Manipuri lunar calendar to pay homage to God. Various stalls and hotels were also opened on the hilltop as part of the festival. An exclusive report in this regard from reporter Saikom Ruben and camera person Laikanta.
अखोइना हौजा हौजे लेजरी बहम मसी अखोगी बारोन सिंगी अखोई लाइन तो खुम हाइब बहम दुदनी ngasi बारोनी काबगी अहिं सिगलोने ना सिंग का मयाम लाकसिदा करी करी मोगी मोट मयाम सिंग खमिनसी Sigumba lamle langmaijing haina khangnariba mafam asi laindhogi khupam singasi maitai ekhoigi tasengna khunda pham mafam amne haibasi tasengna ekhoina ahallaman singi puya putin gi maramda ekhoina nainajaba matamda khangbanga me asida khoi awabase akhoina purpoti da awabase leitri yam nungana khoige kalma choibe tarso ko akhona nga puro ko adumna thatokheba asam noya si khoi mayam gi tapta khoi mating bangba khoi Manipur lai ba sida ka ko mayam si khoi mating pang jab si khoi anwai ba kanone si mamang tadi khoi ge mai lakhi daba laiki adu ta kaya nungai daba lai adu kupsi te mai karang na lam ne na mayam so
kaichu kanadre yamna phai kumchina
asi de yamna nungai phawe ri wana karaga nungai phom su phange adigi pang pang khorama ngamdaba agna su khorama ngamme asi gi numisda
yam nungai te han gai singthak asida yamna wana akogi effective gi kamu so laga asumba akogi Lariba Manipur ke Kajingkwa the Lariba Koya situation Mianse Kangna Imbective in a Laga Kojingkwa Salaga Bow Combi Vitamokta so Imbective so Uncle and Takasari.
MSPD Sella may it wrong to the Madangshida may wrong to be able to stop among Unazake.
Ising Chai be a day Purasidaba. Silong may pyramid ay jila jariba isama jila jeje ako gi laifam asawa mahadeva sa wala jari sa ko aduga khalong may lo pili may long alali
masida all duty sida akoi security ni uniform ni masida akoi ga police amaga IRB amaga MR amaga samana duty tawminari ni masida akoi sida lady say Dishing mark is not quite family mental to wong draba.
Dine by a Huisa, Oxa, Adu Yen, Adona sit like Kurumura, another Oxa Sanabalakpura, or like Bissing Boba, or Huisa Nabalakpura, Karidonas Kondi always.
Toydokwa Awanungai, the Kashmir, the high with the Mamang to Torok Panina Kitang experience to Adobo Ahamba Baruni, the Karak Panina, some Mapamje, Carmina Tom, no, the Kangdam Ninako, no Kitang Jomina, like home talk, but the Kitang told the Nuaita, what of the
I never see when I hung the Buddha, but I never was my Matunda, a horrible and Kalapasu, on Tangsi, William Pamia, never Hangari.
Hosikiti like Cantacolina, Pomzim, Sakuluban, Impact News, Baruni.
Now moving ahead. Film for Manipur in a press release strongly condemned the selection of Nimrit Kaur, a non-local, by the authority of Miss Femina India contest to represent Manipur in the beauty contest. It further appeals to the authority not to let Nimrit Kaur represent the state. Renowned theatre director K3 Jugindro will be conferred the B.M. Mekola Lifetime Achievement Award 2018. The award will be conferred to the director as an honor for his contributions in the field of art and theatre. The award carries 20,000 rupees cash, a shawl and a citation. The award is sponsored by S. Manauton from Mekola in memory of his brother late B.M. Mekola. As part of the first anniversary celebration of BJP government, PHED Minister Losi Diko inaugurated 4 water supply schemes in different parts of the state yesterday. The newly inaugurated water supply schemes are augmentation of Kakching water supply scheme under UID SSMT at Kakching district, the water supply scheme at Luangshangbam, Hangang Makhalekai, Pangai and adjoining villages at Waiton. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Diko stated that the newly inaugurated water supply schemes, which is a joint venture of the public and the government, are mainly for the welfare of the people. He asserted that with the setting up of water sanitation management, people will now get access to clean drinking water conveniently. The augmentation of Kakching water scheme under UID SSMT was constructed at a cost of 13.27 crore rupees and has 6.3 MLD capacity and will provide water to 32,189 people living in and around the area. The water supply scheme at Luangshangbam under NRDWP scheme with the cost of 150 lakh rupees has 0.34 MLD capacity. Water supply scheme at Hengang Lekai under NRDWP at the cost of 100 lakh rupees has a 0.25 MLD capacity. Water supply scheme at Pangai and adjoining areas at Waiton at the cost of 560 lakh rupees has a 0.71 MLD capacity. MLA Kakching Y. Surchandra, MLA Chingai, Kashim Vashum, Adaksha P. Bimola, Secretary PHED Nidhi Kesarwani, Chief Engineer PHED H. Sunil, Superintending Engineer Rural Circle I. H. Bigadon and officials concerned attended the inaugural function. Cyclist Philem Rohan, who cycles 2,800 kilometers from Delhi to Imphal with an aim to promote a pollution-free India, is all set to live Imphal to embark his next cycling tour of 15,000 km to Kolkata. The tour will be flagged off by CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham from Kangal Laifamland on March 17. Rohan will raise awareness on propagation of love and humanity, population control and against drugs abuse at various places he will be passing through. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, cyclist Rohan stated that his journey will again continue from June through November from Kolkata to Kanyakumari and then on from Kanyakumari to Kashmir.
Yam sengna record amasu ehaning ba haitare lone cyclist or like lone journey ma chatlaga smaina mayam da lone cyclist ama oina chatlaga mayam da chatning ya ade amuk yam sengna haja kana sponsorship pasana phangaba dai di muk paisa ji muk pasana plenty da leiba taraga di muk mi ani hum chalak pasengam meba hajiki ai expenditure je like till now pabung karam sham nei 50,000 ka mating pange honorable minister na atopa yam sing haja kan atopa dagi mating ka sham phangba oi tri tare adagi khoi millennium school na dum phaisa khatang chawna mating pang mile 20,000 mukko ada aigi oibo on expense tum oi turi handak se like budget dum phajan changakani.
VIP culture is reported to be still prominent inside the mini secretariat complex in Bishnupur district, despite steps being taken to curb the culture across the country, including Manipur. President of all Bishnupur District Working Journalists Union in a press release stated that the union held their monthly meeting at the union's office in Block B of the mini secretariat office today. The union alleged that an officer of the secretariat refused the journalists to park their vehicles inside the complex. They maintained if such VIP culture is meted out even to the journalists, what a layman must be tolerating. The union appeals to the authority concerned to take steps not to repeat such act in the future. Now the sports news. The Manipur football team left Imphal for Kolkata to participate in the final round of the Santosh Trophy football tournament today. 20 footballers, including 3 goalkeepers, 6 defenders, 7 midfielders, 4 forward players are in the team. Goalkeeper Dina is the captain of the Manipuri team. S. Amubi is the coach, manager cum technical director, while Kamlesh is the team physio. Manipur has not bagged any title after emerging as a champion of the trophy in 2002. Before the team left Imphal today, proprietor of RK Fortune Developers Private Limited, RK Rameshwar, presented tracksuits, t-shirts and shorts to the players at Ampha Complex in Bapalkang Jebung. Manipur, West Bengal, Chandigarh, Kerala and Maharashtra will lock horns in league matches of Group A of the trophy. Manipur will meet West Bengal in its first league match on March 19. President of Ampha S. Sanatomba, Secretary in charge L. Jotrimoy Roy, Treasurer L. Dinamani and other members of Ampha gave their best wishes to the team.
Manipur champion of the Santosh Trophy Amkak 2002 da Manipur team na Santosh Trophy champion ogi adugi mamang da su koi ngamde adugi matung da su koi ngamdri adugo handak chaliba noi team nisna champion oiraki habigi asada punging da khallaga yamna thawai hakchang yauna dedicate tawna sanabiro Manipur gi mingchat puraksi purupasung ngamu
The 4th state-level prize money inter-club archery tournament 2017-18, which began on March 13, organized by 6 Assam Rifles, concluded today. Finals for the 3 different events of the tournament, namely India Compound and Recurve for both men and women, were held on the concluding day today. K.H. Heller of BCAC in men and P. Sonia from YAC in women category clinched the first position each in the Indian event, while N. Arjun of Sika and S.H. Manorama of Sai RC bagged the first position each in men and women category respectively in the compound event, and in the recurve event A.K. Amarjit of NSA and T.H. Sanai of Sai RC bagged the first position each in the men and women category respectively. The winners were awarded with certificates and medals. Speaking on the occasion, Minister L. Jentakumar lauded 6 Assam Rifles for organizing the archery tournament with an intention to promote sports among the state's youth. He asserted that the initiatives undertaken by the Assam Rifles in the state reaffirmed their gesture of friendship with the land. The minister also motivated the archers to work harder and bring laurels for the state and the country by competing at various national and international events. Commander of 9 Sector Assam Rifles, Brigadier Amrit Kaptial, commanding officers, 6 Assam Rifles, Colonel Indrajit, top officers and many personnel of Assam Rifles attended the event.
Sig level, state level, lagi here no wankat karaga national level. Then again to the international level, when wankalaga, achoba highest competition da, when my pak pelakno hona bakanda, angang sing say groom to viva, sing say viva, the encouragement of viva say mase, koi chate harabom to Assam Rifles people they are really friends to the people of Manipur in particular and the people of Northeast in general. How say, makoi helping hands say yam dakar liba habitai. Kathin mamjala liba, koi brigadier na, amasumagi koi team na. Koi ngangi sangat pipacha. Sung matim nungai atam masi matung tawa desu. Koi government na masung koi state government na masung koi Assam ki authority se mari le naraga ngangi sambi beta makata na mating pangkani habit hajablai.
PTCC Patsoi-backed victory in the 4th MCA played cricket tournaments today. In the 11th league match of the cricket tournament under the aegis of Manipur Cricket Association, played at Langthabal Public Ground, winning the toss, PCC Mayai Koibi fielded first. In the first inning of the match, PTCC Patsoi made 187 runs in 35 overs in 2 balls and 10 wickets down. In this match, Kalish made 58 runs while Santosh made 38 runs. In the second innings of the match, PCC Mayai Koibi made just 134 runs in 26 overs and 4 balls with 10 wickets down to lose the match by 53 runs. In this inning, C.H. Tyson made 56 runs. PTCC Patsoi's all-rounder Santosh was adjudged the man of the match. 21 cricket teams are competing in the tournament. Manipur Judo Association in a press release expressed happiness at MPSC's judoka Likmabam Sushila bagging a gold in 48 kg category and achieving the best judoka title, and H. Sunibala bagging a gold medal in 63 kg, rounding the Manipur with the runner-up title in the Senior National Judo Championship 2018 held at Jammu and Kashmir from March 10 to 13. The association also appreciated Manipur Police Sports Club for producing fine judoka. Charging Cricket Club defeated their rival in the 6th T20 Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament. In the 9th league match of the tournament played at the ground of Model Higher Secondary School and Oriental College today, winning the toss, Charging Cricket Club batted first and scored 194 runs in 20 overs with 5 wickets down. Charging Cricket Club's Sanjeet scored 65 runs and Krishna Kumar scored 41 runs in the first innings, while Chem Khangempally scored 178 runs in 20 overs with 4 wickets down and lost to Charging Cricket Club by 16 runs. Chem Khangempally's M. Jodiba scored 111 runs while I. Ibobi scored 31 runs in the second innings. All-rounder of Charging Cricket Club, Sanjeet, who scored 63 runs and took a wicket, was awarded the man of the match title. 8 teams are taking part in the cricket tournament organized under the aegis of Manipur Veteran Cricket Association. Model Club B Tingamaka will meet Dynamic Sporting Union Kwakatel in the 10th league match on 17th of this month. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. BJP-led state government celebrates 1 year of power in the state. Union Minister Harsh Vardhan assures of all possible assistance for the state's development. Chief Minister Biren gives thanks to people of the state for their cooperations, assures to move forward despite various challenges. Union Minister Harsh Vardhan inaugurates the newly constructed Technology Business Incubation Center of IBSD in Takil Parts today. And Andhra police arrest 4 alleged culprits involved in the Yaripok Lai Harauba incident.